Alright, we're going to start with the best of show decorated cakes right here. We've got the first place. That's gorgeous. That looks just like at a bakery. This is an amateur decorated cake, and it is Remember Who You Are. It's the Lion King. Look at that. She's very talented. This one's cool too. This is a junior. Oh my gosh, that's my favorite so far. It's a B one. Of course, they're first place. What you got? Kirby? You don't like that?
What's going on there?
He's not impressed with this.
Everybody can see you.
Then there's, that one's cool, the cat one. There's a pig.
I don't know how I'm not going to be able to see you.
And this cauldron one?
What about this one up here?
I don't know what's going on.
What is that? Is that
Lion King?
Lion King? That's one. What is, you don't know what's up with what? That's first place. That is gorgeous.
These are 6 to 12-year-olds that made this bottom shelf.
Okay. 6 to 12-year-olds, she said. Look at that one. It's a turtle. Wow, look at that. That's cool. Look at this one. Amazing.
This is really good right here.
Wow, that is almost perfect. That one's second place. Look at this one. So cool.
Chick-fil-A one. Somebody really loves Chick-fil-A.
These have been removed. Somebody took these home already. Oh, they're in the case. Okay. Oh, somebody does love Chick-fil-A. She's from Clayton, of course.
Too heavenly to last.
Somebody bought it, probably. They're like, I'm going to eat that. These are the amateurs. This is a North Carolina themed one, first place. That one's cool. What are these guys?
I don't know.
They're little monsters. That's a lot of work right there. She's from Garner, from Chapel Hill, third place, harvest theme. This one's boy or girl.
Can you see what that says?
This one is, these are the miniature cakes, second place. Oh, that's cute. Oh, what's that, Sonic?
No.
What's he called? Bluey. It's Bluey. That's Bluey.
I think that's
one's cool.
Animita Mascaria.
Yeah, when it's red like that, right? It's first place is what it is.
Look, here's a free to come. Okay.
Hold on. Third place.
Decorated.
I love the Bluey, and they didn't even win. I'm disappointed. Somebody doesn't like Bluey. Okay, we've got, this is first place. It's just like a tower. Not really impressed with that. That's cool. These are wedding cakes. Okay.
Free to Kahlo cake.
Just first place, just basic. I mean, she just bought this thing to put on top. Not impressed.
Hurricanes.
That's a, nah, I'm not even gonna say. Frida Kahlo.
First place right there.
Won first place.
Look at the details on it.
And the campfire, also first place. Yep. This is Drew's favorite cake. It is the Hurricane. Go Canes. And that's all the cakes. Oh, there are some cupcakes. I mean, there are a lot of cakes, honestly. But there's cupcakes and, oh, yeast rolls, please. Look at that. That's a s'mores one. Let's go find the best of the shows. Here they are. Best of the shows. The best of shows. Best of show. Best of show pie. Yum. Best of show bread. Yes. What a waste to not be able to eat this thing. Best of show cake. Oh my goodness. It says, please look but don't touch. How about eat? Can you look and eat? Oh, angel food cake. Heavenly. Too heavenly to last. Look at these rolls. That is a cool jelly roll. Better than the Singer jelly roll. Not a fan of him. Oh my gosh, cheese straws. I'm so hungry right now, y'all. How do they know? Do you think they try them? they taste them to see if they taste good, or is it just about looks? Well, this has been the cake competition. Now we're at buttermilk biscuits. Thanks for watching. Check out our other North Carolina State Fair videos. We have a ton of them. Please hit that like button if you want to eat this white yeast bread. Oh my gosh, full of carbs. So good. Put some honey butter on it. Or cinnamon rolls. Maybe cinnamon rolls are more your thing. I'm not really a fan of cinnamon rolls. That's more Drew's thing. Spice cake? Love it. Ooh, veggie muffin? Yes. Yeah, I gotta get out of here and get some food.